Hello there, welcome to my next unboxing, unwrapping. Another Stiletto I ordered, another one from Amazon. Let me just open this. Alright, just gonna pull this foil out. There's just some shipping stuff. Oh look, my box already open. It's not very good. There it is. There's the beauty. Alright. It's a Malino Switchblade. As you can see, it is very, very pretty. This is the lock. I believe down means it's locked. Up means you push the button and the blade comes out, which, let's see. Oh, I believe it's the other way then. Alright, came quite fast actually. The blade, let's say about 4 inches. 4, yeah, about 4 inches. The handle is about 5 inches. Push this forward. This actually slides and closes, and then just push it, and it opens relatively fast, of course. Oh, of course. Alright. So, Malino Switchblade. It's very nice. I like it. The blade relatively sharp, not very, but it is a gutting weapon. It's locked pretty good. Inside appears to be alright. Mechanism. The lock does work, which I tried when I first got it. Closing it is a lot harder than I thought it would, but I hear after use it does get easier. Well, that's Malino Switchblade off of Amazon, $20, and that's it.